Volocopter are autonomous air taxis that are electrically powered and can start and land vertically. We've already proven that the technology works.
The
world is now ready to share our vision of inner cities in the next 10 years.
We want to demonstrate how it can be implemented in the traffic context of a big city. The initial step will be a point-to-point route, for example, going from the airport to the city center, which comes along with minimal infrastructure requirement and very low capital risk. In order to significantly increase the capacity of Volocopter routes and systems, you can implement hubs.
A hub is like a train station where up to 1,000 people can be handled per hour. The transaction of Volocopter and passengers in a hub is a flowing system.
Konkret kann man sich das so vorstellen.
And this is what it looks like. Approaching the hub, passengers land on a platform and are then transported into the building. Thus, the landing site is immediately free for the next air taxi. Once in the building, processes are slowed down. You can disembark safely and without stress, protected from wind or rain.
In the
hub, in addition to processing the embarking and disembarking, batteries or fuel cells will be changed automatically. Once recharged, the air taxi goes into the parking deck or sets off for the next flight. The hub ensures safety. For example, in case of emergency, all flight vehicles can land and be parked in a very short time. Air taxis will be a further element of local public transport and will relieve the whole system in megacities. We can also build ports, for instance on top of tram stations, and connect the different means of public transport. And the great thing about this system is the on-demand ports, meaning you can call an air taxi on demand at my hotel or at a company that has its own port. The advantage of an on-demand port is that it can be built at very low costs, or existing helicopter pads can be used as ports. Today, we could already successfully solve traffic problems in megacities. The first point-to-point connections, for instance from JFK Airport to Manhattan, can be flown using existing battery technology. With 2 hubs, we could transport thousands of people each day.
Imagine you fly into Newark after an intercontinental flight, and you can just simply choose your Volocopter, hop in, and get to Lower Manhattan within less than 15 minutes. How awesome would that be?
To create a safe public transport system with air taxis in the city center, we need a digital infrastructure, meaning all these elements need to be safely coordinated in airspace. These highly networked transport systems will become reality all over the world, in New York, Dubai, Singapore, and Paris. And the great thing is, they will be available for everyone to use.
Volocopters will play an integral part in a city's ecosystem.
No congestion, no noise, no environmental impact. And all this for a price of a cab.